Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Atrey and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, reviews, hauls, etc, etc. So if you are interested in such type of content, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, recently Pilgrim, they have launched their red wine skincare products, and I was lucky enough to receive their face wash, toner and day cream, and I have tried these products for a week, and here are my reviews, what I feel about it. First of all, if you don't know about Pilgrim, so Pilgrim is an Indian brand, and they promise you or promise us to bring beauty secrets from over the world. And recently they have launched their beauty secret, that is red wine therapy, and I have received some amazing quality products. This range of theirs, they focus on collagen production and youthful glow. So they have niacinamide, vitamin C, and red wine extracts. And they promise us that our skin will be healthy and youthful if we use their product. Now, what do I feel about their product? So I will tell you one by one. So let's get started. Also guys, their products are 100% cruelty free, and they are vegan, and they do not have any chemical or toxin. They are free from any paraben or sulfate. So I can guarantee you, vouch for these products, because I have been using these products and I have been really liking them. Like, it never happens, but then I really loved this particular range. One more thing I must tell you, that they do contain fragrance. Yes, they do contain fragrance, and I do not mind it in my face wash, but in the face cream I was thinking that if the fragrance was a little bit low or in a lower concentration, I would have absolutely, loved it. I still love it, but I feel that the fragrance, it should have been fragrance free. A little bit of fragrance is fine, but fragrance is too much. And I think if you're someone who has a sensitive nose, might not like the fragrance, but the fragrance is again very soothing. It is not very over the top, or where somewhere where you would feel good about the fragrance. So that's what they have. Products are anti-aging, and they contain aloe as well as vitamin C, which just give our skin a radiant glow. So we can expect that your face will be glowy and youthful if you start using this range. It has nutrients like vitamin C and aloe, which brightens as well as nourishes our skin tone, and niacinamide, which again boosts collagen and makes our skin very youthful and radiant. Pilgrim products are sulfate, paraben and cruelty free, and made in India, which is suitable for both men and women. They say no to sulfates, parabens and mineral oils. Now, very first thing is this sulfate free cleanser, which cleanses grime and pollution, and it has nutrients like vitamin C and aloe to brighten and soften. And this is how the consistency of the face wash looks like. It has tiny scrub particles also. Now next is this red wine toner and mist, derived from red wine extract, powerful antioxidants derived from red wine, again like I told you. It has vitamin B3, that is niacinamide, and it maintains skin barrier and maintains elasticity. Now next is this red wine cream, which is an unique multitasking day cream with SPF 50. It nourishes the deepest layer of your skin, protects from all types of photo aging, and it is anti-aging, purifying and has collagen. So this range is really good for someone who is looking forward to get a collagen production in their skin. So first of all, I like to use this face wash, and it gives me a very fresh feeling. It smells amazing. Yes, it does contain fragrance and it lathers well. The best part about this is that it cleanses my face thoroughly, so I really enjoy it, and it will make your skin feel relaxed as well. As it has vitamin C, it boosts collagen and it fights free radicals, and it just reduces wrinkle, as well as it makes sure to take out any type of dirt which is sitting on your face. And after this, I apply this toner, which has vitamin B3, niacinamide, and it maintains skin barrier and maintains elasticity also. And I like to pat it dry on my face. and it feels very fresh and amazing. As you can see here, tightens my pore as well. Now after this, I like to use this cream which protects your skin from all types of photo aging. Now it has red wine extracts, vitamin C and rosehip oil, and all of these things, they just work together for that unmistakable glow of youthful, firm and healthy skin. So like I told you that it has vitamin C which boosts collagen, fights free radicals, red wine to give you anti-aging and purifying as well as collagen boost, and it is very moisturizing. So I like to take it, and I like to take my time to work through in my skin, and plus it will be very good for dry skin people with oily skin type. Make sure to take very little as it is very moisturizing, and it has inbuilt SPF also. So if you are applying this, no need to apply SPF if you are staying inside. And that's how my face looks like. Again, these are the products which I have received. I have their face creme, and I have their toner or mist, and again I have their face wash. Now if I have to tell you, I really loved the face wash as well as the toner. Even the face wash has these a little bit scrub particles which I really like. Even the cream is also very good. It has SPF. So all in all, I feel that these products are really worth the buy. I will be providing a link in my description box, so go and check their products out. Alright guys, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, and I love you guys a lot.